Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial I will show you how you can turn on dim light or dim flashlights while recording a video or recording a vlog on your iPhone. It's super easy to do. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also turn on bell icon to get notified when the video will be uploaded on the channel. So let's get started. Open up your iPhone settings and then go to accessibilities. There you will find motions. Click on that and then you can see over here dim flashing light over here or lights over here. So once you click on that toggle to turn this on, it's going to be turned on. You will see this below this option video content that depicts or repeated flashing or these options you can simply read over here. So that's it. That's how you can turn on dim flashing lights on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.